In this question from nuclear and particle physics, we are given that when the solar system is created, both isotopes is present in equal quantities. So U235 number of atoms initially N0 of U235, this is equal to N0 of U238. This is given. Also, at present time, uranium is a mixture of U238 99.28% and U235 0.72%. Therefore, we can write N at a time t, that is at present time, of U235 divided by N at present time of U238. This ratio, this is equal to 0.72 by 99.28. We also know that the exponential decay law says number of atoms at a time t is equal to number of atoms at time t equal to 0 times e raised to minus t by tau. Here t is the time elapsed and tau is the mean lifetime. Therefore, we can write N at the present time of U235 by N at present time of U238 is equal to N0 of U235 e raised to minus t by tau of U235 divided by N0 U238 times e raised to minus t by tau of U238. Now in the question, it is given that isotopes are present in equal quantities at a time t equal to 0. Therefore, this gets cancelled. And in the LHS we have 0.72 by 99.28. This is equal to e raised to minus t into 1 by tau U235 minus 1 by tau U238. Now it's only a matter of substituting the values and solving. For t is the age of solar system. Tau is given. Tau is the mean lifetime. Lifetime of U235 is 1 into 10 raised to 9 years, and lifetime of U238 is 6.6 into 10 raised to 9 years. So 0.72 divided by 99.28, this is approximately 0.00725. This is equal to e raised to minus t into 1 by 1 into 10 raised to 9, which is 1 into 10 raised to minus 9, minus 1 by tau U238 is 6.6 into 10 raised to 9. So 1 by 6.6 into 10 raised to 9 is 0.1515 into 10 raised to minus 9, and units are per years. Now take ln on both sides. Ln of 0.00725 is equal to minus t times 1 into 10 raised to minus 9 minus 0.1515 into 10 raised to minus 9 is equal to 0.8485 into 10 raised to minus 9 per year. ln of 0.00725 is minus 4.93. So we have minus 4.93 is equal to minus t times 0.8485 times 10 raised to minus 9 per year. This implies t is equal to 4.93 by 0.8485 into 10 raised to minus 9 per year, which is approximately equal to 5.881 times 10 raised to 9 years. So the correct option here is option 2, 5.8 into 10 raised to 9 years.